This is Lindos Gardens apartments. This was September 2025. It's about a 10-minute walk into Lindos. Quite a steep hill. 3-star, but should be a 4-star as far as we're concerned. This is the reception area. Really helpful, really friendly staff. Nice restaurant, decent food, quite cheap. They have football on in here. They have singers on, the odd band. Good atmosphere. A very nice pool, little pool bar there. And then this is the way up to our apartment. We're as high as you could be, where you get the best views. That's the spa and gym. Don't use that on holiday though. As you can see, blue sky, weather was good for September, warm. A couple of patches of rain, but that was all. It's a kids' pool. We have to get 2 lifts up to the top floor, which was a bit weird. That's another pool. Amazing lift. That's the view over the castle there.
We've got the main pool there. That's where the other kids are.
It's called the Acropolis.
Oh, I like little children.
Infinity pool. This is our room, 2L. Really big room. Don't know who that is. 2 single beds. Have to pay for the aircon. It's a beautiful view from our balcony. 2 chairs. Lovely view, lights up at night, so it's beautiful. This is the bar we went to in Lindos. There's a football on and back.